How to get promo code for Pocket FM. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your web browser on your device. Here I am simply choosing the Google Chrome. Once inside the Google Chrome, in the search address bar, type down the promo code for Pocket FM and hit enter and search for it. Once done so, you'll be navigated to some websites where they provide the promo code for your Pocket FM. Simply tap on the grab on option available at the top and navigate to its official website. Now here you will get to see different options of promo code available. Scroll down and choose any according to your preferences. Simply tap on it. So here let's choose any for an example. Now tap on it. Now what you need to do is to redeem these codes, visit the Pocket FM website, register or log into your account and enter the promo code to the designated field. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.